Hey lovely people, I'm coming today with new rumors and leaks, so let's see what we got here. First of all, thank you for being here and watching this video, and if you haven't subscribed yet, you can do it by clicking on the subscribe button, which should be right there somewhere, yeah. So I'm trying to reach 1000 subscribers until the end of the year, so we can build a massive tech community. If you could help, that would make me happy. So as I told you, we have a few new renders about the upcoming Apple MacBook Air, which will most probably come with the M2 chip. These images are from Jon Prosser, and most probably they are not matching 100% the final product, but that's something only time can tell. Most probably the new MacBook Air will follow the design of the iMac, which was released a couple of weeks ago. This means that the new MacBook Air could come in 7 color options, which are blue, silver, green, yellow, orange, pink and purple. Another interesting rumor is that Apple may drop its current MacBook Air design. This means that we may not see the wedge-shaped laptop and we may get a flat laptop, as on the MacBook Pro. Well, I never used a MacBook Air before, but if you used one, please tell me, what do you think about it? Is that wedge shape really that good? Or because, to be honest with you, I know some people who will get really angry if they are coming with a flat design. Well, let me know what do you think about it. I'm waiting for your answers in the comment section. Another design change could be the white edges surrounding the screen, and if it's not enough, they are coming with a matching white keyboard. Well, if cleaning is your hobby, this laptop is for you. What we currently don't know is the size of the display. As previous reports suggested, the new MacBook Pro with the rumored M2 chip should come this year in a 16 and 14-inch variant. But we still do not know if the MacBook Airs will have the same 13-inch form factor or they will be slightly bigger. Well, as I know Apple, they will just make it 0.01 inch thinner and they will say that it will help the environment and also it will be lighter and it will have a lot of benefits for you. One of them is that you can start buying a new set of accessories which are coming with the new one, because the old ones just don't fit. Thanks, Apple. Talking about ports, we do not know for sure if Apple is bringing back the MagSafe port to this one. What we know so far, based on renders obviously, is that the new MacBook Air will come with 2 Type-C connectors, or Thunderbolts. Well, you need to know that these informations are based on renders, so take it with a pinch of salt. But I'm really curious about what do you think about this. Would you buy a new MacBook Air in that colored version? I mean, it's not for everyone, for sure, but would you do it? Let me know into the comment section. By the way, this was it for today. Thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed it, give it a like and don't forget the subscribe button is just 1 click away from you. Thank you very much and let's talk soon.